Sir, ito, idagdag ko lang, kay Senator Kiko Pangilinan, I want to put that up on the screen. Ang sabi niya po, unahin na niya to Ombudsman Remulla, unahin niya ilabas yung salin ni dating Ombudsman Martires mula nang umupo ito bilang Supreme Court Justice hanggang sa pagbaba nito sa pwesto bilang Ombudsman itong 2025. Baka sakaling magkaalaman na bakit tutol ito sa paglabas ng salin?
Hindi ako tutol sa paglabas ng salin. Kasi hindi lang ako may tutol eh. Nakalimutan ni Senator Pangilinan na siya sa Senado. At sila mismo sa Senado ay may sariling guidance na hindi mo pwede labas ang salin ng isang senador kung walang consent yung senador. Diba? Kailangan may consent bawat isa eh. This is the requirement actually of the Data Privacy Act. That's why I was surprised when he said that. As a senator, he should know the laws. Alam niya dapat yung Data Privacy Act has practically amended or repealed the requirements in 6713. Ano bang ginawa kong anomalya? Had he said only na dapat ilabas yung salin ko, period, okay sa akin. The problem is he went further para magkaalaman. E di sabihin niya, kung mayroon akong ginang anomalya, di kaksawan niya ako. Did he also just file a salin of 23 million? Is that believable? Why didn't he let his wife, Sharon Cuneta, join or state his assets and liabilities in his salin?
So that's questionable to you?
Yes, because the requirement of 6713 is joint. Whether your wife is in the government or not. Marami ho akong kaibigan, marami ho akong empleyado sa ombudsman o sa ibang ahensya ng mga asawa na sa private pero sinasama yung income ng asawa sa kanilang sa kanilang declaration of assets and liabilities. Bakit siya hindi? Nakatingin ba sa ibang direksyon? He is the one violating 6713 actually, not me. Wala akong tinatago.